Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Format Factory to convert videos. First, you'll want to download and install the software from its official source. Once installed, open the application to reveal its user-friendly interface. Navigate to the video section, which is clearly labeled, to access all the video conversion tools. This initial step sets the stage for a smooth and efficient video conversion experience, ensuring you're ready for the next steps. Now, let's get your videos ready for conversion. Click on the Add File or Add Folder button to import the videos you wish to convert. Next, select your preferred output format from the wide array of options available, such as MP4, AVI, or MOV. You can also fine-tune advanced settings like video resolution, bitrate, and aspect ratio to meet your specific needs. This customization ensures your converted video looks exactly how you want it to. With your files added and settings configured, it's time to convert. First, designate an output folder where Format Factory will save your newly converted videos. Double-check all your chosen settings one last time to confirm everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, simply click the prominent Start button. The conversion process will then begin, and you can monitor its progress directly within the application, typically taking just a few minutes depending on file size. Congratulations, your video conversion is complete. Navigate to the output folder you selected earlier to find your newly converted video files. It's always a good idea to play a portion of the converted video to ensure the quality and format are exactly as you intended. For larger projects, remember that Format Factory supports batch conversion, allowing you to process many files simultaneously, saving you valuable time and effort. Enjoy your perfectly converted videos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.